Introduction: Mastering Bodyweight Training.
Bodyweight training is a powerful and accessible way to build strength, endurance, and flexibility. However, many people fall into common traps that limit their progress or even cause injury. Today, we'll break down the 5 most frequent mistakes in bodyweight workouts and show you easy, effective solutions to get the most out of your training.
Mistake number 1: poor form and technique.
One of the biggest setbacks is neglecting correct form. Rushed reps or improper alignment reduce effectiveness and increase injury risk. Focus on quality over quantity. Maintain a straight back, engaged core, and proper joint positioning. Watching yourself in a mirror or recording your movements can help you catch and correct form mistakes quickly.
Mistake number 2: skipping warm-ups.
Jumping straight into intense exercises without a proper warm-up can strain muscles and joints. Take 5 to 10 minutes to do dynamic stretches and light movements such as arm circles, leg slings, or jumping jacks. This increases blood flow, prepares your body for action, and helps prevent injury during your workout.
Mistake number 3: lack of progression.
Repeating the same exercises and difficulty levels can cause your gains to plateau. To keep improving, gradually increase difficulty. Try adding reps, slowing down movements, or attempting advanced variations like diamond push-ups or pistol squats. Small, consistent challenges help your body adapt and grow stronger.
Mistake number 4: neglecting recovery.
Overlooking rest days or failing to listen to your body can hinder progress and increase risk of overtraining. Make sure to schedule recovery days, get enough sleep, and use active recovery like gentle stretching. Your muscles need time to repair and strengthen after workouts, so recovery is just as important as exercise.
Mistake number 5: ignoring full body balance.
Focusing only on popular exercises like push-ups or crunches can create muscle imbalances. Be sure to work all major muscle groups, including back, legs, and core, for balanced strength and injury prevention. Incorporate pull movements, squats, lunges, and planks to keep your training well-rounded and effective.
Conclusion: train smarter, not harder.
By avoiding these common mistakes and applying simple fixes, your bodyweight training will be safer, more efficient, and far more rewarding. Remember, prioritize good form, warm up, progress carefully, recover properly, and strive for balanced workouts. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and watch your fitness improve with every session.